Welcome to another video. I'm your host Fraser, and this is a Create Vision video. In this one, it's basically a video about hello world, inputs, strings, and concatenation and backslashes towards the end. So, in this one, I'm just displaying the difference in inputs using double quotation and single quotation. Uh, Python accepts both inputs, so you get double input and then single input, which are both accepted by Python. And then I, I demonstrate concatenation in my statement. Concatenations can be done with a plus or a comma, okay, between strings. So in this one, I've demonstrated my concatenation done with a comma, and then this one I've demonstrated with a plus, followed by concatenation, which includes a white space. So a white space will show concatenation space concatenation. You'll see when I build and run my program. And then I've just demonstrated how to print an integer, and then I demonstrated the difference between backslashes and a statement without backslashes. So let's debug our program, and then followed by running our program. So we go right to the top, print hello world. It might rain today. Hello world. You see, in my display, in my console display, both inputs are available, and they will output your results in a similar fashion. So concatenation done with a space, with a comma, will include a space, and then concatenation done with a plus won't include the space. But you can program a white space into your program, which will include the space. I've printed my integer, and then followed by how all my whole sentence of hello world, it might rain today, tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, in this one, in this line, you'll notice that every single statement is on one line, but I have a similar sentence on line 23, where it's hello world, no backslash, it might rain today, no backslash, and then tomorrow is Sunday, no backslash. So a backslash inputs all your strings on a single line, and if you omit it, it is not a problem, excuse me. Python will still run a program, but will output it in the manner that it was inputted. So because you didn't state, a computer only does the thing you tell it to do. So if you included a backslash, everything will be printed on one line, and if you don't include a backslash, everything will be printed as is. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.